Welcome to Poe Designs. In this video, I'm going to show you how to prepare your AI image as a digital file to sell to others, to sell to crafters and to others who are using files like that. In this one, I'm going to show you how to remove the background, how to upscale them, like make them more beautiful, how to zip them in a zip file, how to make a mockup for the files, and how to do all that so that when crafters buy them, when somebody buys them, they will be ready to use. Okay, let's go into it. First thing, I'm going to create a design right here. I'll go to custom design, and I have mine on pixels because I want my image to be on 300 dpi pixels. I'm going to multiply the pixels times the measurement of the paper, and the measurement of the paper is 8.5 by 11, just our regular US letter paper. Okay, 300 times 8.5 is 2550, and 300 dpi by 11 inch is 3300. Not here, right in here, 3300. And I'm going to create my design, and it will be automatically on 8.5 by 11. Okay, you have created your designs in one of the AI programs, and then now you want to make them available, you want to sell them. But to sell them, most people, they love images with a transparent background, so they can place it, they can use it however they want. They can place it on other stuff with the background. It's more convenient to use. So we are going to prepare our files with transparent background. Okay, let's go to uploads. I uploaded all my files in here already, so I'm going to use these files. Number one, I'll select this lady, and I'll go to another page. I'll add another page. Let me drag this down. Let me drag it down. Yeah, there's another one here, another page, this one, another page, and this one. So I have these four ladies, and they have a background. These images have a background, so we're going to remove the images. Okay, and like I don't know if I just said it already, I'm working in Canva Pro. In Canva Pro, you're able to remove the background from images, make sticker files and all that, and so many more possibilities with Canva Pro. So I'm working in that today, and we are able to remove the background in here, and that's what I'm going to do. I'll select this one, and I'll go to edit image, and here is the BG remover, background remover. I'll select it. Okay, and if it's too small for you, you can drag it a little bit so you can check your images. You see? Okay, this is an AI image and it's not perfect, but we want to try to make it perfect. Look, I zoom in and I see her shoe has double heels. Oh no, it's a closed shoe. Okay, it's a closed shoe. I didn't see that. It's a closed shoe. I'll leave it just like it is. Okay, the background is removed already. Everything is here. I'm going to apply the background remover. Okay, and then I'll go to photogenic, and I'll choose this first one. This first one has a very beautiful outcome. I'll select it, and look how our image will change. You see, it's more beautiful, and I'll apply it. Okay, and so we have our first image. It has a transparent background. Let's go see, and then let's see, right click and set it as background image. No, not this one, detach. We're going to stretch it ourselves. Okay, stretch it here, and then yeah, so that we can have a big image. Okay, Okay, we have the first image. Let's go to the second. Edit, remove background. Remove background, apply the removal, and then go to photogenic. We select the first one that says Fresco, and you see the color is better. And I'm going to apply the Fresco also. Okay, let me select this again and drag it down here. Let's see what we are doing. We drag it here. We can make it a little bit bigger. Okay. Okay, let's go to the next. Okay, now we have all our 4 images. Let's go here, and here we see them. All our 4 images. Beautiful. Let's go back. Click on here again. Okay, now here we are. We're going to download them. For instance, if you're selling these 4 files in one group, like in one one listing, you can save them in one zip file, like zip them together. And that's what I'm going to show you. I'll go to share. Let's name them. Let's say 4 elegant ladies. 4 elegant ladies. And now we're going to download them. Again, download PNG. The size is already here with a transparent background, and we want all 4. I'm going to download them. Okay, now they have a name. Our zip file, you see our zip file here, it has a name, 4 elegant ladies. Okay, now we're going to download them also as PDF. We'll download, let's see, PDF print, all 4. Let's check this one. I think with a PDF they will have a background. They will surely have a background. But let's download them. Now we have them in PNG and in PDF. Okay. So I'm going to show you how to make a mock-up for these ladies when you want to sell them on Etsy or on your website. So the next thing we're going to do, let's put one more here. I'm going to copy this lady. Copy. I copied her, and I'll go down here and I'll paste her. Right click, paste. Okay, it doesn't want to. Control V. Yeah. Paste her here. I'll go back up. I'll go to the second one. Copy. Go down here. Control V. Here's the second lady. Right beside her. Let's go to the third one. This is the third one. Copy. Right click, copy. Control V. And then this one. Right click, copy. Go down here. Control V. Okay, now we have all 4 of them. Let's go closer. All these 4 ladies. Let's move this one a little bit more. Yeah, this one. Okay. Let's move them a little bit. Yeah, and after you have this, if you want, you can place grids over them. Let's go to elements, dotted grid. Let's see, dotted grid. Okay, see y'all. I use this one, and then you drag it over them. You see that? You drag it over them. If you want, you can put this as a watermark. If you want, you can make it smaller. Like, make it smaller, it's up to you. And then duplicate them. Like, duplicate it. And then bring the other one here. You know, duplicate it again. Put the other one down here. And duplicate it again. And put the other one down here. Okay? Or you can use your watermark on it. Your watermark, your brand. For instance, mine is Poe Designs. I'll write with this. Yeah, let's make the text bigger. Okay, Poe Designs. This is my font, like right here. I won't leave it like this. You go to transparency right here, and then you see, you put the transparency down. Yeah, we have this one. Let me see, right here. Duplicate it, move it more, and I think this is good to place it online. Nobody will steal it like this. Okay, and then we will download it. Go to download, and you will download a PNG with a background. So you won't select this one, you will download with a background. You don't download all 5 files, no. You will go here, deselect it. Your current page is page 5 where our mockup is, so you select mockup and down and download. Let's check our mockup. Okay, right here. And this is what you will put like in your listing on Etsy. This is what you will show, and this is what you will upload in the file area, in the upload area. And if you want to see how to upload a file and create a listing on Etsy, click on the link up here that is popping up right now. Thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe to the channel. Click on the notification bell to be notified every time I upload a video, and watch the next video that is coming about how to create notebook covers to sell on Etsy. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.